Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be looking into how to download HP Smart on your PC. It's really simple. All you need to do is go to the Microsoft Store, which is already installed on your PC. So once you have opened it, go to the search bar and type for HP Smart. So you get the best results and you select on this. Go to the icon which says install and click install. And all you need to do is just wait till it installs. And now if you can see HP Smart is installed and let's open it. Okay, it says that you can set up a new printer or sign in. But I'm just going to skip it for now. And now you can see HP Smart has been installed on your PC. Thank you for watching everyone. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button below.